E26. Can you remember that? Or do we need to take a picture of it?
Well, right there, see that skywalk? We're right there by the skywalk.
Well, what if there's more than one skywalk?
Well, then I guess we're probably just goofed up.
You ready?
I'm ready. That might be helpful because it doesn't look like I know where we would even start.
Probably anywhere.
It's chilly in here.
Well, no, just trying to figure it out on the map. I thought maybe that even the nosebleed would not have been terrible. You know?
Yeah.
That's fun to see him working the dirt up.
Yeah. Something you don't typically think about.
Say what? No.
You don't typically think about. I'm going to send a picture to Jenna.
Okay, so I would just do this hall and then go A, B, and C. And then, because you have to walk through, you can't get into freedom.
There's a lot to see.
Do on the left. Up in this other area.
Got a pretty fancy bag here from the grasshopper.
Grasshopper mowers.
Gentleman came right up and said, thanks for the video. So that was fun. Thanks for coming up to us.
Look, where's this?
And at the show, they're
4. About how that thing wore out.
Just about.
I don't understand.
So the nice thing with with our bit, it literally is just one flat here and then one flat there, so you can actually feel the bit that was centered on. Yep.
I'm looking at this because it's big.
Exactly. So you got one flat here, one flat there. That's it. But once you sharpen the tip down to the point where you no longer have anything left up there, we also guarantee these for life too. So any of those bits break or whatever, you get a new one.
So this, I just walked away from this. I just walked away from this booth that has these bits and cutting accessories. Have you seen these bits that will drill through anything that essentially look like a masonry bit?
Gloves and flashlights.
Yeah, I've done that a couple of times.
I think we better be hitting the trail.
Oh, you're always saying, let's go, time to go.
Well, you can
It's time
stay
to
here,
go.
Mom.
Time to go. I would lose you.
There's plenty of change.
I would never find you.
If I can find you.
You have to get a
If I
little.
can find you.
That is a big head. That is big. 60? 61 foot. Kaylee, this is the one we need next year. slightly bigger than the one that we have. Just a little bit.
Well, it shows the guys it will work. No, it will work.
My favorite YouTuber, well, actually my two favorite YouTubers.
I think I did.
There's my favorite combine.
Okay, now this is kind of tricky. So now we got to do this.
Boy, it looks different.
I don't think it's a big one. I think they make two of the big ones, I think. So this isn't anything like what we were used to.
I thought better get some green in here, right? Because that's the favored. Jim wants this machine on video. He thinks it's pretty cool.
Well, at least I wouldn't have this plugged up like the other machine I ran.
Summary of the day. Day number 1. What would you say was your highlight, Jim?
I don't know yet.
Well, I know what mine was.
Meeting people.
Well, meeting people, yes, but meeting Quick Dick McDick was my number 1 highlight of the day.
He is the man.
But it was fun getting to chat with all the people who recognized us. I didn't expect as many people who did. They came up and said something to us, so that was fun. I should have taken a picture with every one of them. That would have been even more fun. Maybe tomorrow. Probably nobody will stop us tomorrow, which is okay. Game plan for tomorrow? Anything different?
Same thing.
It's huge. I never expected it to be as large as it is.
It's big.
It's unbelievably big. And thank goodness that it's inside, because look at what it's doing outside. There's moisture in the air, about 41 degrees. Chilly to me. Jim says it ain't cold. We had a good day. Do you suppose it's like this all the time or just today?
Well, everybody's going home. It's probably like this every day.
Wouldn't you love to fight this every day?
Not really.
Yeah, me either. Is this the same way we came?
Hell, I don't know. Probably.
I don't remember seeing all this, I guess.
In a quarter mile, use the middle lane to take exit 137 toward I-71 North.
So this hotel has free breakfast, of course, but then they also have these evening freebies. But here in Kentucky, you have to pay for your drinks, so that's $1. And food, and all of this till 7 o'clock in the evening. So we'll see you tomorrow. Hey Jim, and I really hope that you enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notification so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.